Laundry, the never-ending chore we all love to hate. But what if I told you there are 5 simple hacks that could save you a ton of time and stress? Hack number 1, sort your laundry as you go. Set up 3 hampers, one for whites, one for darks and one for colours. This way you won't have to spend time sorting on laundry day. Just grab a basket and throw it in, it's that simple. Hack number 2, use laundry bags for small items. Pop them in a mesh laundry bag before you wash them. This prevents small items like socks and underwear from getting lost or tangled. Hack number 3, dry on a hanger. Give each shirt a quick shake to remove excess water, then hang it up. This helps reduce wrinkles and saves you ironing time. Hack number 4, use dryer balls. They reduce drying time by improving air circulation and keep your laundry fluffy. You can even add a few drops of essential oil for a fresh scent. And finally, hack number 5, fold clothes right away. Folding clothes immediately after they come out of the dryer prevents wrinkles and keeps everything looking neat. So there you have it, 5 simple laundry hacks to save you time and reduce stress. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more life-changing hacks.